Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fun and simple fitness challenge, planking for just 1 minute every day. You might be wondering, what can a single minute of planking do for you? Stick around to find out because the results might just surprise you. All right, first things first. What exactly is a plank? A plank is a core strength exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up for the maximum possible time. Simple, right? But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Planking packs a powerful punch. When you plank, you're engaging multiple muscle groups. Your abs, back, shoulders, chest, glutes, and even your legs are all working hard to keep you steady. It's a fantastic full-body workout in just one move. Now let's talk about what happens if you commit to planking for just 1 minute every day. Here's a breakdown of the amazing benefits you can expect. 1. Stronger core. First up, a stronger core. Planking targets your entire core, which includes not just your abs, but also your lower back and obliques. After a few weeks, you'll notice improved strength and stability in your midsection. This doesn't just help with looking toned, it also supports better posture and reduces the risk of back pain. 2. Improved posture. Speaking of posture, planking helps align your spine, shoulders, and neck, promoting a better overall posture. Better posture means you'll stand taller, look more confident, and even breathe better. 3. Enhanced metabolism. Next, let's talk metabolism. Planking every day boosts your metabolic rate. It's a full-body workout after all. Even just 1 minute can keep your metabolism running high, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. 4. Better balance and coordination. Planking also enhances your balance and coordination. Since you're engaging your core and stabilizing muscles, you'll find it easier to perform other exercises and everyday activities with better balance. 5. Mental benefits. And it's not just physical. Planking has mental benefits too. Holding a plank requires concentration and mental endurance. Over time, this can help improve your focus and mental resilience. Plus, completing a daily challenge, no matter how small, gives you a sense of accomplishment and boosts your mood. So how do you get started? Simple, just set aside 1 minute each day. You can do it first thing in the morning during a break at work, or as part of your evening routine. The key is consistency. And there you have it. 1 minute of planking every day can lead to stronger muscles, better posture, a boosted metabolism, improved balance, and even mental benefits. It's quick, effective, and anyone can do it. Ready to take on the challenge? Let us know in the comments if you're in and share your progress with us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome fitness tips and challenges. See you next time and happy planking. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more fun and easy fitness challenges. Watch the next video here. Until next time, stay strong and keep planking.